How to zoom out on Gmail screen. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can zoom out Gmail screen. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you're on your mobile device, you can simply zoom out using your fingertip, but if you're on your desktop or in your laptop, here's how you can zoom out. First of all, open up your Gmail, and once you're on the inbox page, or you can open up any screen in your Gmail. Now to zoom out, all you have to do is navigate to top right. There is this three dot icon, click on it. And from this menu box, you will find an option to zoom in or zoom out. Now to zoom out, all you have to do is simply click on this plus icon, and there you can see the screen is zoomed. If you want to zoom in, again you can decrease this as well with the help of this minus sign. So in this way, you can zoom out or zoom in Google screen. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.